Tim Bigham of Delta Derivatives joins us now for the Trader Rundown, and we've had this runaway market, so what do you foresee here?
Yeah, absolutely, and it looks like Santa may have come early, certainly, to say the least. Whether it continues, into year-end or not is the big question here, and it's really, again, that trade-off between, cheap money, and the Fed, again, is, adding some more liquidity into the market just to avoid what happened several months ago, so that's the backstop, but valuation's starting to get a little rich here as well, so I think a little yin and yang here going forward, but normally you do see a rally into year-end, although on light volume.
How much attention are traders paying as to what's going on in Washington, because this is the impeachment vote day?
Yeah, I think it's a given that, they're going to vote yes for impeachment and obviously go to the Senate and nothing will happen. I think, to be honest, it's pretty much discounted here unless we do get some, big-time fireworks coming out of the Senate, or if the House, has the unlikely chance of, not voting for impeachment. So I think it's kind of already baked into the market here, and I think going forward probably will be a kind of a non-event here. So the Washington stuff, the Trump tweets, as always with China, will continue to move the market.
Okay, so let's take a look at a stock that's a big mover, FedEx. What do you think about the earnings here?
Yeah, absolutely, and they have had, kind of a war with Amazon here over Amazon trying to start their new delivery service. So certainly FedEx has been hit a little bit on that, but I think the stock's getting to a level where I wouldn't mind being a buyer on further weakness, and because of earnings, that implied volatility, the price of the options is very rich. So I'm just going out selling this week's out of the money put spread, the 150 puts buying the 148s, looking to be a buyer. That's about 8.5% lower from here. Because of the earnings, you have big option premium. So given the fact that FedEx has been basically flat on the year, has a decent dividend, I wouldn't mind being a buyer at lower levels.
Good to have you here. Thank you so much, Tim.
You bet, anytime, Ange.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.